Hello, I'm Jesus Quiroz and will show you the final project for embedded hardware design during fall 2015. This project consists of a simulation of a 3D printer with a very basic operation. This presentation will be split in two videos. The first with an explanation of the components of this project and the second one showing the simulated operation. It's obviously a faraway functioning of a real 3D printer, but the operation principle is there. Let's start with the micro used in this project, which is an Arduino Uno controlling three step motors, each of these motors is controlling one of the three axes. X, Y, and Z. Due to mechanical limitations, only the X-axis was built to show the operation. This mechanism has a tooth belt with a marker attached to it, simulating the material that is deposited during a real 3D printing process. This simulation pretends to create a box with a top cover with a slot in there. So the parts of this creation will be the floor, the walls created in the y-axis. Finally, we have a box, and at the end we will create the top cover. As mentioned before, due to hardware limitations, only the floor will be presented. The rest of the parts, as you can see in here, it's just part of programming. So okay, let's pass to the second video, trying to showing the functioning of this mechanism.